everyone, I am Rini and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am gonna share with you guys my nighttime skincare routine. Actually I don't have such a problematic skin guys, so touch wood, I don't use that much of product. Only I am gonna use 6 or 7 products. The products which I am going to use in this video, the links of those products will be mentioned in the description box. Okay, you can check that out. So yeah, if you want to know how I do my skincare routine, then please keep on watching. Okay, first I'm going to use this Plum E Luminence cleansing balm. I'm taking only this much of product. I am going to use this cleansing balm to remove my makeup. Okay, I just love this cleansing balm. It literally melts away my makeup. Okay, so yeah, its consistency is quite thick and balm like consistency. So I'm going to apply it on my face now. Just lathering it on my face. Massaging it. When you apply any kind of cleansing balm on your face, you should apply it on your dry face, okay? Now I'm just going to rinse my face. My face is clean. Guys, I always prefer double cleansing method. So for this I am going to use face wash, and I am gonna use this simple moisturizing facial wash. Yeah, this one is cruelty free. It says that it has no artificial perfume or color, no harsh chemicals that can upset your skin. Okay, I have little combination to dry skin, so I am using this moisturizing facial wash from Simple. Just going to wash my face. I'm done. I'm just going to wash my face. Now I'm going to apply mask on my face. For this I'm going to use L'Oreal Pure Clay Detoxification Mask. Yeah. Now guys, I don't use mask regularly on my face, okay? So you don't have to use it regularly. Only 2 to 3 times in a week is enough. Now this mask is a charcoal based face mask guys. And yeah, it really helps to brighten up my skin. My masking is done and I'm gonna leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, my face is clean now, and now I'm going to use toner, and I'm gonna using this Ayurveda Pure Rose Water. So I'm just gonna spray it on my face. Now the next product I'm gonna use is this retinol guys. Now this one is from Inkeylist. I am taking only this much of amount. Now retinol helps to prevent your signs of aging, dark circle, fine lines, and pigmentation, and acne also. Beautiful product you guys. I have been using this product for 3-4 months now under my eyes. Okay, I'm done. Now I have a little combination to dry skin guys, so I'm going to use another moisturizer. This one is from Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. Again, this bottle is my 3rd bottle guys. As you can see, the consistency is quite thick. Just gonna massage it onto my skin. Next step is I'm gonna apply a lip sleeping mask. This one is again from Laneige. Yeah, this is the bottle. See the consistency, it's quite thick. Now I'm going to massage my face with this jade roller, and then I'm going to apply this body mist from Plum. I always use perfume before going to bed guys. Yeah, this is my current nighttime skincare routine you guys. I hope this video will helpful to you. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and yeah, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and push the notification bell. So yeah, see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you.